Looking for elements to add a decorative flair to your window curtains? Well, curtain lights are the best approach. Curtain lights add a warm, soothing, and soft radiance to the interior design. Also, they can visibly highlight patterns in the curtain design even at night for an aesthetic delight. Why are curtain lights popular? Curtain lights have become increasingly popular in recent years for several reasons. First, they can be used on a variety of occasions, i.e. weddings, birthdays, Christmas, and other holidays. They can also be used as room decorations or outdoor lighting. Curtain lights are typically easy to set up and come with multiple lighting modes and settings, which allows for customization and personalization. These lights add a unique ambiance with their soft, warm glow to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, thus making them perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and home event decor outdoors. 1. Choose the curtain lights. There are various different types of curtain lights available, each with its own unique styles and features. The type of curtain lights you choose depends on your personal preferences and the occasion or event. The different versions and varieties include LED, fairy, waterfall, twinkle, icicle, and remote-controlled curtain lights. Curtain fairy lights feature delicate and intricate designs and are ideal for adding a whimsical touch to any space. 2. Area measurements and space calculations. The next step to the ideal purchase of the curtain lights is to take precise measurements of the area where you have to hang the lights. To measure the space, you can draw pencil markings around the defined boundary and make calculations using a tape measure. When measuring the top part of the window, always measure around the curtain rod. 3. Prepare the area. The next step is to prepare your space where you need to hang the lights, i.e. around the window curtains. This preparation involves the assurance of safety features like whether or not you're hanging lights on a safe surface. 4. Roll out and hang the curtain lights. For this purpose, you need to take down curtain panels and adjust the lights around the curtain rod in a swirling fashion. This also explains that you should take the start from the curtain rod. To hold the lights in place, you need to attach hooks to the wiring. 5. Power the lights. To power the lights, you may need to plug in the switch or put batteries into position. If the lights are not working, you need to check the power source, the bulbs, the fuse, and the damage situation.